Hi, welcome to the Daddy Curbs farm. This morning the girls were out riding the horses and we thought it would be a good opportunity to get Luke on for a few minutes just to get his body stimulated and to let the horses work out a little more. Luke, are you ready to ride?
And they're riding the road?
I don't know.
Let's ride on the road. Do you want to ride him on the road?
Can you mount him?
Can you say hi?
Hey.
But he thinks you have a carrot.
Need help getting on, Luke? No?
Let's see how you get on. Can you do it? Can you do it from the ground, or do you need a mounting block?
Yes, he does. Can you put on the helmet? Good job.
You ready?
Let's see how you do it.
Good job. Can you put your foot over? There you go.
Wow, good job, bud.
Put your foot in here. A lot of strength, please.
I like your boots.
You ready? You tell me when you're ready, Luke.
I'm ready.
Okay, do you want to hold on to him? You feeling good?
Looking good, bud.
We're gonna go a little fast, okay? Is that okay? Just really quick. Put him right here. You ready, Luke? Should I do one small little trot? Is that okay? You ready, Luke?
Just a little first.
Just a little trot. You ready? Come, Taylor. Ready? Hold on, Luke. Okay. Relax. There you go. Can we do one more tiny trot like that? And then you're done. Then you're done. Okay. Okay. Same
Just a
thing.
little short.
Just a little trot. You guys sit on your butt and breathe. Okay? We're going to do it on the way back. Breathe. Good job. Okay, breathe. Good job. put your back butt tight. Can you roll your hips? There you go. Good job. There you go. Can I have the helmet?
You're a professional horseback rider,
Good job,
Luke.
Luke.
You gonna get him a carrot? Go get it.
Put these on the table. I'm gonna start taking the stuff off. Okay.
You're just gonna leave him out to eat, to graze?
Because he worked hard today.
Yeah, good.
This cinch is gonna need rinsed.
All that grass on the fence line, Maggie. You can get that.
Keep your thumb down behind so you can't chew it. There you go. Good job.
Can we get Maddie one?
Okay. Give more to Teo and then we'll save this one for Maggie. We'll save this one for Maggie. Good boy.
Good boy.
Give him the last one. And put your finger straight. There you Good go. job. You want to give this to Maggie? Okay.
Did she get it?
Yeah.
Was that fun, Luke? What do you like most about riding?
Good.
What do you like about it?
It's fun.
It's fun. Do you like how it makes you feel? Do you like sitting up real tall? Yeah? Do you like riding Teo or Maggie better?
Teo.
Yeah, he's a good boy, huh? Good job, bud. Here on the Daddy Curbs farm, we're very grateful to have the opportunity to have the horses and to learn about the horses. Also to have the opportunity to give that therapy to our son, our special needs son, Luke, as he likes to ride the horses and it helps get his body moving. Also here on the farm, I believe that everyone has a story and every story counts. Thank you so much for being a part of our story through this video and letting us be a part of yours. We'll talk to you soon.